right, big breaking news coming in as incident rains have lashed Faridabad. We are getting reports that a bank manager and a cashier have lost their lives when their car got stuck in a waterlogged underpass. According to reports, the two deceased were on their way from Gurugram when their SUV reportedly got trapped. So that's the big news coming in. Two people have drowned after their car got stuck reportedly and in an flooded underpass. This happened in Faridabad amidst heavy rainfall which had lashed the Delhi NCR region. We have a reaction coming in of the police as well. Let's first of all listen into what the authorities have had to say.
क्या है घटना पूरी?
ये क्या था जी, ये गुड़गांव HDFC बैंक में काम करते हैं। एक मैनेजर है, एक अपना कैशियर है। ये रात को वहाँ से अपनी XU एक गाड़ी है उसमें आए हैं। ओल्ड पे हमारी पुलिस द्वारा जो है ना पानी भरा होने के कारण बैरियर लगाया हुआ था कि भाई यहाँ जो है ना खतरा है, आगे ना जाए, पानी ज़्यादा भरा हुआ था। लेकिन फिर भी वो बैरियल को जो है ना इधर उधर करके उस पानी में घुस जाते हैं। जो हमारे एक राइडर वालों ने भी उनको कहा है कि भाई आगे जो है ना पानी ज़्यादा है, लेकिन ये फिर भी हम निकल जाएंगे उनसे करके ये उस पानी में घुस जाता है।
ये साइड कर दिया
वहाँ क्या होता है कि गाड़ी जो है ना अंदर हमारे पुलिस वाले टोक के चले जाते हैं, ये गाड़ी अंदर कर लेते हैं और तो ये गाड़ी जो है अंदर जाके गाड़ी बंद हो जाती है, गाड़ी में पानी भर जाता है, गाड़ी लॉक हो जाती है। लेकिन ये पता नहीं नशे में थे कैसे क्या बात है, ये तो पोस्टमार्टम के बाद पता चलेगा।
All right, so that's the reaction coming in from the police. Akanksha, first of all, could you help us understand what exactly had happened? How did these two people lose their lives? They entered a flooded underpass, and then what happened? If you could, explain the entire sequence of events as the police is informing at the moment.
Absolutely. You'll see two people have drowned after their car got stuck in a flooded underpass in Faridabad. As you also mentioned, amid heavy rains in the national capital region. Now, both of them are bank employees, and as they were coming from their workplace, which is in Sector 31 in Gurugram, there was an underpass. As soon as they entered the old Faridabad area near the railway station, there was an underpass. They entered that underpass, and their car got stuck. Their engine turned off, and in fact, after that, they could not open the lock of their car as well. The lock was jammed, and they both got stuck inside the car and drowned. Both of them are bank employees. Now, the locals as well as the family is asking why was there no barricade in that beyond that underpass, and why was there no policemen standing there? Because clearly that entire underpass was flooded, so there should have been some sort of barricading. But we also heard the reaction coming from the police as well. They're saying that time and again they have alerted the residents and locals of that area to not take that underpass whenever there are heavy rains. But clearly,
yes, is an alert enough? Was there a barricade or not? That's the big question which remains. Why don't you stay with us, Akanksha? We have more reactions coming in. We believe the colleagues of these bankers who have lost their lives have spoken out as well. Let's listen in.
ये यहाँ पे सेक्टर 31 में ब्रांच हेड है एज ए वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, और साथ में 31 गुड़गांव। अच्छा, ये अपने घर आ रहे थे, ठीक है, और साथ में घर फरीदाबाद में ओमेक्स में रहते हैं।
सेक्टर सॉरी
गुड़गांव में जो है उनकी पोस्ट जॉब करते हैं, यहाँ पे इनका घर है। तो आ रहे थे, वो आए थे कि रास्ते में ही ये घटना हुई है।
तो किस पोस्ट पे है ये?
वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है।
नाम?
पुण्याश्री शर्मा।
उम्र लगभग?
उम्र वही 45 के आसपास होगी।
तो ये अकेले थे या कोई और भी?
नहीं, एक और भी था, क्योंकि साथ में विराज।
हाँ, विराज कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं?
विराज अयोध्या के।
वो भी उसी पोस्टेड है?
हाँ, वही है।
क्या पद है उनका?
वो कैशियर है, टेलर।
तो क्या हुई थी घटना? जैसे रात बरसात थी, खूब ज़्यादा
बरसात थी, रोड डाइवर्जन हुआ होगा। वो उसके बाद फिर इनको आइडिया नहीं चला पानी का। हमें भी कुछ आइडिया उसका है नहीं कि कैसे गया। हमें तो न्यूज़ मिली जब पता चला कि जब फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ था, मैडम का भी फ़ोन आने लगा, कल का ही फ़ोन आया कि नंबर नहीं लग रहा है, क्योंकि एक्चुअली विराज मेरे साथ ही रहता है, हम लोग साथ।
Okay, so we heard a reaction of one of their colleagues as well. Akanksha continues to be live with us. Akanksha, you were taking us through the allegation which has been put forth by the family of these two men who have lost their lives in that unfortunate incident. Take us through what the family has to say, because there are a lot of question marks being raised as well. If at all, it's a case of civic apathy also.
Well, absolutely. And the big question is that why were there no barricades at that space, and that is why they took the car in the underpass bridge near Old Faridabad. So that is the question that the locals and the family is currently asking. But we also heard the reaction coming from the police. They're saying that time and again they have told the residents of that area to not take that underpass. But the fact is that one of them belonged to Faridabad, but the other was from Gurugram. So he had no idea that this would be the situation, as there was no barricade. So a lot of family and locals are asking why there was no presence of police officers there, why was there no barricading in that area. Because let me give you another example. When there was flooding in Pragati Maidan tunnel, we saw that all the exit and entry points were blocked, and there were security officers which were deployed there to make sure that people don't enter that underpass.
Well, exactly, and that's the big question. Why was there no barricade? Why were there no police personnel? Sometimes as one is entering these underpasses also, it's a bit dark, difficult for people to gauge if they will be able to wade their car through these flooded underpasses or not. Those questions remain.